My name is Sean Buckley, and I am playing Freddy, who is the actor, and I'm also playing Philip Brent in the Play Within a Play. And this is my fourth play that I've done at Sandy on stage, but I've been working with Sandy for probably 10 years. I've never played a character like this. He is kind of an airhead, and it's really fun to get into that space. It's also fun to play an actor who is struggling, because I have been in that place many times, just not this dumb, I hope. Act 2 of this is one of the most difficult things to do in theater ever. It is so energetic, it is so busy, it is so intricate. When we first started putting together Act 2 and blocking it out, I said, oh my gosh, this is like a Rubik's Cube. But then the more we got into it, I realized, no, this isn't a Rubik's Cube. This is like putting together a Swiss watch. Taking it apart, putting it back together. It's crazy, and it is hilarious. It makes me laugh every time I'm here, and I've read it over and over and over again to get ready for it. It still makes me laugh.